Want to cancel a subscription to an app or in-app purchase you made through your iPhone, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to cancel subscriptions on iPhone. Now let's get started. To cancel a subscription on iPhone, first open your Settings app. Tap your name at the top. Then select Subscriptions. Select the active subscription you want to cancel. Then tap Cancel Subscription. Tap Confirm at the bottom. Your subscription will then be canceled. Depending on the terms of your specific subscription, you may still be able to access the app or service you are subscribed to until the date you would have been billed next. This should be outlined on your screen, letting you know what date your access will end. That's all it takes to cancel subscriptions on iPhone. If you're looking to manage your subscription to iCloud Plus, check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.